Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Because it is made of starch, pasta absorbs liquids and starch absorbs water. What I usually do is I toss the pasta with oil to reduce the absorption. This also coats my macaroni in a water-repellent layer. Beyond this, I also add lemon juice to my pasta salad, which helps with keeping the moisture in.
Take our lead.
The key to keeping macaroni salad from drying out is the pasta. If you don't cook it enough, the pasta won't grab onto the dressing and will dry out. If you overcook the pasta, it will be completely soggy and gross. Cook the pasta just right, and your macaroni salad will stay perfectly creamy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To quickly chill cooked pasta for salad, first drain the cooked pasta in a colander. Then place the colander into a bigger bowl filled halfway with ice water. When chilled, lift the colander out of the ice water, drain, and it's ready to use.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Next, evenly sprinkle your vinegar of choice over the pasta and toss well until it's all absorbed. The acid in the vinegar and the residual heat from the cooking pasta make the noodles more absorbent, so they'll really soak up the flavor from your dressing, whether you use a mayonnaise-based one or a vinaigrette.
Take our lead.
If your question has to do with the pasta not having enough sauce by the time you serve it, as the pasta sucked in all the sauce, the answer there is twofold. 1. Make extra sauce to be served on the side. Or reserve some of the hot water the pasta was cooked in, then add that to your mixed pasta and sauce.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pasta absorbs liquids, because it is made of starch, and starch absorbs water. Tossing the pasta with oil will reduce the absorption, by coating them in a water-repellent layer. Beyond this, the solution is simple. Don't drain as much water from the cooked pasta, and add more dressing.
Let's help you make your mark.
To really up the flavor of your salad, reach for the herbs and spices, which add both flavor and health benefits. Try adding basil, parsley, chives, thyme, cilantro, mint, or dill, Scheinfeld says. Thyme goes well in chicken salads, parsley with grains, and cilantro with avocado and peppers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.